Hi guys, so I know my room is a mess. I'm about to go to my best friend's house, the usual. She's having a birthday party for her husband. So I gotta hurry up and get over there because I think it started at 2:30 and it's 3:30. Yeah, so I'm about to go do that. I think I'm gonna come back and film a video on replenishing my pantry. So after I leave her party, what time is it, 3? I think I'm gonna stay till like 8, maybe 7, because I want to run to the supermarket and it's late. It'll be late, so there won't be a lot of people there. There's just a few more things I need to get, so I might do that after I leave her house, but I'm gonna go to her party. So you know, I might get some footage, if they're okay with it. So yeah, let me go do that. Just wanted to hop on here and say hi. I got that outfit from Rebdolls that I showed you guys. It actually fits. So let me show y'all. It's just a little oversized, but it's fine. It actually looks super cute, so I'm okay with that. So see, it's just like, it fits fine. It's just an oversized tee, but it fits. So I'm not mad at it at all. I'm just wearing my Adidas. I don't know what these are called. I don't remember, but they kind of have that whole like Yeezy vibe going on. Hair in a bun because it's raining today, so we're not doing anything crazy. Let me go though. I'm gonna just throw on this little army fatigue over. I forgot to put deodorant on. I gotta put deodorant on and then I'm gonna leave. So I'll talk to you guys when I get. Say hi to all my friends.
Oh, that's kind of nice. Where that's at?
In my room.
In your bedroom?
Yeah.
You took out, what you had there? Carpet, right? Or no?
I had wooden floor.
And you took it.
Good. Amazing. Amazing. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, YouTube.
Oh my god.
Hola. Hola. Oh my god. You know.
Oh my gosh, you
Jack,
guys are
stop.
crazy.
May I have your camera?
No.
Cheese.
May you buy me one?
Cheese.
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 Them kids is crazy, y'all. Crazy. So people can see who you are.
Hey, YouTube.
This is my brother.
You know I don't like cameras.
I know. I know. But they gotta know, we still gotta film the thing for the fireplace. I have all this footage of you doing that and we never like put it together. If you want to. Only if you want to. Come on, Jax. Yes, you can. Oh my God. Yeah, he started crying. You want to say hi to my friends on YouTube? Look. Look, Pop. Look, Pop. Oh, it's okay, Jet. Now the baby's crying. Look, Bug. You feel better now? What happened? What hurt?
Chin.
Your chin?
My
Your face? What happened to your face?
face.
Oh. Well, you're okay now, right? It really feels like fall out here. It's like cool. Yeah. You alright, Papi? You want to go play or are you okay? Go ahead, go play. Look, you want to go right back to the... Be careful, okay? Julian, be careful with him. Go ahead. Look at him. It is like really breezy out here. I was not expecting that, but it feels really good. This is definitely my kind of weather. I love fall, for sure. Oh, I left my drink in the house. Oh, you guys, did anybody else ever purchase one of these from, where did I get this from? I forget the name of the company, but I feel like it's turning, and I got the gold plated one or dipped in gold or something one. It's like sterling silver. I feel like it's not as gold as it was when I first got it. Okay, so I just left my girlfriend's house. I'm about to run in Trader Joe's. First of all, can we talk about going to Trader Joe's at nighttime? Why have I never thought of this? So I randomly was like, all right, let me hit up Trader Joe's tonight before it closes, because tomorrow I have to spend the day at my mom's, so I'm not gonna have time to go do the grocery shopping I want to do. So I was like, let me knock this out tonight. I want to film a video tonight of me just like doing my pantry stuff. So I think I'm gonna film it for TikTok and Instagram, not for YouTube. So I wanted to get everything I needed, and most of the stuff like that I fill my pantry with is from Trader Joe's. So I was like, let me come here tonight and do this real fast. And like, I need to do this more often because there's like nobody here. Normally I do it in the morning, but I'm a night person anyway. So what's annoying for me is like, because of where my apartment is, like there's no parking. So that's really the issue, is the whole parking situation. So that's why I don't like to go food shopping at night, because there's never anywhere to park. And then I have to park in front of my apartment, take all my groceries up to this 3rd floor, you know, move my car. It's just a job. So I didn't want to have to do that. But you know what? Whatever. So let me come in here. I'm gonna just grab a couple of necessities and then take my butt home, and I'll see you guys in the house. It is 7:36, so I'm gonna try and be out of here by 8 so I can get home. I actually want to run to Whole Foods too. There's a couple things I want to get from Whole Foods, and then we Gucci. So I'm back home from Trader Joe's, Target, and my friend's house. So I'm gonna do a quick Trader Joe's haul, and I think we're gonna wrap this vlog up. So I just want to show you guys some of the stuff I got. I got some new things that I don't think I would probably have ever gotten if I didn't see them on other people's videos. Plus I'm part of this Trader Joe's group, and ladies be posting this stuff in there, so I'm like, I gotta try this stuff. Okay, so let's bring this wet bag over here. Get this stuff out of the way. Ginger chews, staple. I always buy these. Almonds, which I keep for oatmeal and stuff like that. I'm gonna refill my almond container, so I got this for that. My usual, the penne arrabbiata. Love that. I got 2 bags of that. I just put that in the freezer. I got their spiced chai. So here's the thing. I'm obsessed with chai tea lattes. I used to get them all the time from Starbucks, but then I found out how much sugar was in them, and I was like, that's gotta chill. We gotta stop doing that. So I haven't bought a chai latte in a while. So I decided to try the Trader Joe's brand. I usually get the Tazo one from Target or Whole Foods, but I thought I'd try this one because I saw this on Aaliyah's Face channel. She had purchased this, so I wanted to try it. So it does have a lot of sugar, 20 grams. So this is not something I would drink every day, but I bought it just to, you know, try it, just to see if I like it, because I don't know, like I'm a specific type of chai girl, and I feel like Starbucks chai is the only chai that I like, and the Tazo one. And the Tazo one, I have to like make it a certain way, like with a certain ratio for it to even give me the Starbucks vibes. So we'll see how I feel about this. Just my usual, I always get their chicken and vegetable broth. I make a lot of foods that involve me to need chicken stock or chicken broth or vegetable broth is a base in a lot of foods. So I always keep this. Before I truly knew how to cook, I never kept this stuff in my house. But if you are someone who cooks a lot, you can find so many uses for broths. Broths are the base of a lot of dishes, so it's always good to have some sort of broth. You can make anything out of a broth, in my opinion. Like, you can make a whole meal, obviously, like with the broth and other stuff, but I just feel like you have to have broth in your house. Another penne. I'm not a big processed food girl. If you know me, and you know me personally, you know I keep a lot of fresh produce in my house. But during this pandemic, I have found myself eating less fresh produce and more frozen foods, just like whatever's convenient and whatever I can get my hands on. So I've been buying it lately. But I do still stick to my fresh foods as much as possible. But I do like to have pastas and their Mandarin chicken, which I love, in my fridge, because sometimes I don't feel like the pretty stuff and I don't feel like the vegetables, or I don't feel like cooking. So I'll just throw the raviolis, which I got, in a pot, and that'll be my dinner for the day. So yeah, so we just got a few bags of that to put in the freezer. And then I got their chicken fried rice. I always pick the chicken out. I know they have a vegetable one. However, I've purchased the vegetable one. I'm more a fan of the chicken. The vegetable one, in my opinion, is just overloaded with vegetables, and I don't like all that in my rice. So I feel like this is less vegetables and more chicken. So I just take the chicken out, and it's like the perfect amount of vegetables in my brain. So that's that. Let's move on to the second bag. So you've seen me post this in other vlogs. I'm obsessed with their brioche bread. Do I need this? Absolutely not, especially somebody who has PCOS and should not be consuming breads like this. However, I buy this when I know that I'm going to be making French toast. So I'm gonna make French toast. The rest of the loaf, I obviously don't eat the whole loaf. I'll probably eat, which sucks, you have to buy a whole loaf for this, but I'll probably eat 2 pieces out of here and save it. I'm gonna try freezing this bread because I don't use it so often. I feel like it may last me longer if I just freeze it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna make French toast out of this. And then I bought a bunch of little seasonings. I wanna try this citrus garlic seasoning. I keep seeing people post it in my Trader Joe's group. Just regular garlic powder. I did get the Ajika, or is it Ahika? Georgian season blend. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I got this because I saw this in the Trader Joe's group. Also got the everything but the elote, which I feel like this is just like taco seasoning in my opinion. I don't know, but I got it because, you know, I love tacos. So here's the veggie broth. And then I also got some just oregano because I was running out. What is this? Oh, my sister Lexi stayed in my house like 2020, like during the pandemic when it first hit, and she brought this cocoa almond spread, and it was really, really good. So I was like, oh, I don't have that anymore. I have not had it since she was here. So I got that, and then I got these strawberries from Target. I forgot to get them from Trader Joe's, so I grabbed them at Target. And I'm gonna just use this as a dip for strawberries. And last but not least, red pepper spread. So my bestie put me onto red pepper spread the other, like last week, because I made this sandwich with it. She gave me like a little container of it, and I loved it. So I bought my own jar from Trader Joe's. I didn't even know Trader Joe's sold this. So I'm excited about that because this is a really good spread, you guys. Especially on like naan, or if you're making a sandwich or something, I don't know. We're gonna find something for this. It's really good. So that's that. And then I always buy these because I'm 5 years old. So these are what are these? Oh, my little strawberry, just strawberry applesauce. I thought I had banana in it, but I guess I got strawberry. Anyway, I don't care. I always get these. These are amazing. I love them. They're my favorite. So I already have 2 boxes in the pantry, but I figured why not grab 2 more. And then last but not least, for real, is the extra, I always buy Trader Joe's extra virgin olive. Can't talk today. I always buy Trader Joe's extra virgin olive oil because it's the most affordable in my opinion. Excuse me. I feel like everywhere else it's super expensive, and for some reason in my brain it's only like $7.99 there, and I feel like that's more affordable than the other places. I don't cook with a lot of oils too often, but when I do, I use olive oil because it's the best in my opinion. I know it has a high smoke point, but I prefer this. I have grapeseed oil. I'm not crazy about it. Canola I rarely use, only if I'm deep frying something. Like I'll use that to fry my shrimp and stuff, but I rarely buy that. So I only buy that when I know that I'm going to be deep frying. But when I know I'm sauteing something, I just keep my olive oil. So this is my little Trader Joe's haul. Yeah, that's it. So we're gonna wrap this vlog up. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm hungry. It's only, actually, what time is it? It's only 9 o'clock. But I'm tired and hungry again. I worked up a little appetite being out in the stores. I'm gonna film some TikTok videos real fast, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Talk to you guys later. Bye.